In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send email in Getresponse affiliate marketing. To begin, sign into your Getresponse account and take a moment to confirm you are in the correct workspace. This helps you avoid sending from the wrong account or list, especially if you manage more than one brand. From the main menu, go to Tools, then choose Email Marketing. This is where you create and send newsletters to your subscribers. Next, click Create Newsletter. A newsletter in Getresponse is a one-time email send, which makes it ideal for affiliate promotions, announcements, and updates. After you start the newsletter setup, select your recipient list. Choose the list that matches the audience for the offer you are promoting. This is important because better targeting usually means better engagement and fewer unsubscribes. Make sure the list you pick contains people who have given permission to receive your emails. Now click Design Message. This opens the email editor where you will build the content. Select a template that fits the kind of message you want to send. Templates save time and help your email look clean on both desktop and mobile. Pick something simple and easy to read so your main call to action stands out. Once the editor is open, you can add your promotional link. Click a button if your template includes one, or highlight the text you want to turn into a link, such as Learn More or Get the Offer. After selecting the button or text, click the link icon. In the field that appears, paste your affiliate link. Double-check that the link is correct, because a broken link can cost you clicks and commissions. It also helps to keep your link text clear, so subscribers know what will happen when they click. After your link is in place, click Insert, then click Next to continue. This moves you to the final sending options. Review your message one last time for formatting, spacing, and obvious typos. When you are ready, click Send immediately. Getresponse will send the newsletter to the recipient list you selected. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.